With over 35 years of expertise, Oldendorf Machinery Mart is a premier destination for top-quality tools from reliable suppliers. Every Mac AFRIC tool meets stringent standards, crafted for South African and broader African markets. Our sales team prioritizes excellent customer service and expert advice. We enhance our product range to provide high-quality tools at affordable prices. Supported by proficient staff, in-house technicians, and a specialized repair center, we ensure efficient maintenance and repairs. Let's dive in. And in today's video, we will be showing you how to calibrate a Mac AFRIC CB-800 wheel balancer. We'll start by capturing the measurements and profile of the wheel. Using the gauge, the machine will automatically capture the distance and diameter of the wheel. Distance is represented by the letter A. Width is represented by the letter B. The width will be captured manually using the width ruler. Enter the measurement on the machine using the up and down arrows, labeled B+ and B- on the machine. Diameter is represented by the letter D. Now we'll put the machine into calibration mode. Start by pressing and holding the FN and D buttons simultaneously on the machine. Both screens will then display Cal, indicating the machine is now in calibration mode. Close the hood and allow the machine to run. When the machine stops, the screen will display Add 100, indicating that a 100-gram weight needs to be added to the outer rim. Slowly rotate the wheel until all the lights are lit up on the right-hand side display and the wheel locks. Then add the weight using pliers at the 12 o'clock dead center position. Close the hood and allow the machine to run. When the machine stops, the screen will display Add 100, indicating that a 100-gram weight needs to be added to the inner rim. Slowly rotate the wheel until all the lights are lit up on the left-hand side display and the wheel locks. Then add the weight using pliers at the 12 o'clock dead center position. Close the hood and allow the machine to run. When the machine stops, the calibration of the machine is now complete, and the machine is ready to balance a wheel. To learn how to balance a wheel using a Mac AFRIC CB-800, see our recent video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.